Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world. AI involves training computers to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI is already powering many aspects of our lives, from the recommendations we see online to the way we interact with our smartphones. AI's potential is immense, offering exciting opportunities in various fields. These include healthcare, finance, and transportation. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's already here, and its impact is only going to grow. Understanding AI and its capabilities is crucial to navigate this rapidly evolving technological landscape. As AI continues to advance, it's essential to approach its development and implementation responsibly. By focusing on ethical considerations and harnessing AI's power for good, we can create a future where technology benefits everyone. One of the most significant impacts of AI is its ability to automate tasks. This means that AI can handle repetitive or complex processes, freeing up human time and resources. For businesses, this translates to increased efficiency and productivity. For individuals, it opens up opportunities to focus on more creative and strategic work. AI automation is not about replacing human jobs, but rather augmenting them. By taking over mundane tasks, AI empowers humans to focus on higher-level responsibilities. This collaboration between humans and AI leads to better outcomes and a more fulfilling work experience. The key to successful AI automation lies in identifying tasks that can be effectively handled by AI. This requires careful analysis and a deep understanding of both the task and the capabilities of AI systems. The rise of AI has led to the development of numerous tools and platforms that are accessible to everyone. These tools leverage AI's power to simplify tasks, improve efficiency, and create new opportunities. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or simply looking to explore the potential of AI, there's a tool out there for you. For content creators, AI-powered writing assistants can help generate ideas, improve grammar and style, and even translate languages. In customer service, AI chatbots can handle routine inquiries, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. The possibilities are endless. It's important to remember that AI tools are just that, tools. They are meant to assist and enhance human capabilities, not replace them entirely. By using these tools strategically and ethically, we can harness their power to achieve our goals. The concept of earning while you sleep has become synonymous with the potential of AI. While it's essential to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism, there are legitimate ways AI can help generate passive income. This often involves leveraging AI to automate tasks or create products and services that can generate revenue even when you're not actively working on them. For example, some individuals use AI-powered trading bots to automate their investment strategies. Others create and sell AI-generated art or music. Some entrepreneurs build and market AI-powered tools and services that cater to specific niches. It's crucial to remember that success in these endeavors requires more than just relying on AI. It takes effort, skill, and a deep understanding of the market or industry you're entering. Section 5: The Ethics of AI Using Technology Responsibly. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it's crucial to address the ethical implications of its use. This means considering not just the benefits but also the potential risks and challenges that come with AI technology. This includes ensuring that AI systems are developed and deployed responsibly, with a focus on fairness, transparency, and accountability. Developers must be vigilant in their efforts to create systems that are just and equitable. One key concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. Bias can arise from the data used to train these systems or from the design choices made by developers. If not carefully designed and trained, AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. This can have serious consequences for marginalized communities. It's essential to address this issue by promoting diversity in the field of AI and developing methods to detect and mitigate bias in AI systems. Diverse teams bring varied perspectives that can help identify and correct biases. Another important consideration is the impact of AI on privacy. The vast amounts of data collected by AI systems can be a double-edged sword. As AI systems collect and analyze vast amounts of data, It's crucial to ensure that this data is handled responsibly and that individuals' privacy is protected. This involves implementing robust data protection measures. This requires establishing clear guidelines and regulations for data collection, storage, and use. Policymakers and industry leaders must work together to create a framework that balances innovation with ethical considerations. Section 6: AI and the job market, adapting to a changing landscape. The rise of AI is transforming the job market, leading to both concerns and opportunities. As AI continues to evolve, it is reshaping industries and redefining the nature of work itself. While some fear that AI will lead to widespread job displacement, others see it as an opportunity to create new jobs and industries. The debate is ongoing, but one thing is clear: the landscape is changing rapidly. It's true that AI will automate certain tasks and roles, potentially leading to job losses in specific sectors. However, this automation can also lead to increased efficiency and productivity. However, history has shown that technological advancements also create new opportunities in industries. From the Industrial Revolution to the digital age, each wave of innovation has brought about significant changes. The key is to adapt to these changes by developing new skills and embracing lifelong learning. Continuous education and skill development are essential in staying relevant in an AI-driven world. Governments, educational institutions, and businesses all have a role to play in preparing the workforce for the age of AI. Collaboration between these entities is crucial for a smooth transition. This includes investing in education and training programs that equip individuals with the skills they need to thrive in an AI-powered economy. By doing so, we can ensure that the workforce is ready to meet the challenges and opportunities presented by AI. Section 7: The future of earning AI's continued impact. The impact of AI on earning opportunities is only going to grow in the coming years. As we move forward, AI will continue to revolutionize various industries, creating new avenues for income and transforming traditional job roles. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications and business models emerge. These advancements will not only enhance efficiency, but also open up new markets and opportunities for entrepreneurs and businesses alike. One area of significant potential is the creator economy. This sector is rapidly evolving, with AI tools playing a crucial role in enabling creators to produce high-quality content more efficiently. AI tools are empowering individuals to create and monetize content, products, and services in ways that were previously unimaginable. From automated video editing to AI-generated art, the possibilities are endless. Whether it's writing a novel, composing music, or even crafting intricate digital art, or designing a video game, AI is providing the tools and resources needed to bring creative visions to life. AI is breaking down barriers and enabling individuals to share their creativity with the world. This democratization of technology means that more people than ever before can participate in the digital economy. Another promising area is the rise of personalized experiences. AI is not just about automation, it's about creating meaningful interactions. AI is enabling businesses to tailor their products and services to the individual needs and preferences of their customers. This level of customization was previously unattainable on such a scale. This creates opportunities for businesses to provide more value and build stronger relationships with their customers, leading to increased loyalty and revenue. The future of earning, powered by AI, is bright and full of potential. Section 8. Conclusion: Embracing AI for a brighter future. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and earn. By embracing AI and harnessing its power responsibly, we can create a future where technology benefits everyone. This involves understanding the capabilities and limitations of AI, addressing ethical concerns, and adapting to the changing job market. By approaching AI with a balanced perspective and a commitment to responsible innovation, we can unlock its full potential and create a brighter future for all.